Hi kids! My name is B, and I'm the second letter of the alphabet. I make a sound like this. Ba. Can you try it with me? Ready? Say, ba. Great job! Now, guess what? I can start so many fun words, like bee, ba, berries, and even bee, ba, Batman. Isn't that cool? One day, I went to a birthday party. Whose birthday party is this? Oh, it's Benny the bear's birthday party. Look at Benny. He's eating delicious berries. Did you notice something fun? Berries also start with the letter B. Now let's play a fun game. Say this with me. Benny, the bear is eating berries at his Batman birthday party. Can you find how many words start with the letter B in the sentence? Let's find them together. Benny, bear, berries, Batman, and birthday. Good job, kids. You are so smart. Remember, I am letter B, and I love to play games with you. Now, give me a big ball one more time. Ready? Ba! Yay! See you next time, little superstars.